$500, $1,000, $10,000, Illinois can fine you for not properly storing your gun from an unauthorized or otherwise prohibited person, or any person whatsoever under the age of 18 years. Folks, that means that if you are being carjacked, you cannot store that firearm inside your vehicle. It must be on your person. Otherwise, it would need to be in a safe, locked. And I heard some chatter not long ago that that safe must be fireproof. That safe must meet certain standards, but we shall see where that goes. That also means that if there is a baby, an infant, all right, and they are inside of a crib in the home, that child would never be able to reach that very top shelf, right? They're a baby. You must make sure that your firearm is stored in a locked container, a safe, in order for you to be compliant with the state of Illinois. We're looking at Senate Bill 8. And by the way, I'm going to put a link in the description for witness slips to be filed, and I would strongly urge you to do exactly that. Senate Bill 8 requires all firearms in your home, vehicle, land, or building, or other structures to be locked up if you have a reason to believe that someone under the age of 18, by the way, I'll pause for a second. I don't know if you guys remember, I often mention it in my class. There was a young man, a child in St. Louis at the age of 11, who his mother was taking a shower, so in a very vulnerable position. He was playing his Xbox, all right? 3 bad guys start busting down the back door. That 11-year-old retrieved that pistola and dumped on those bad guys, ultimately winning that lethal encounter. What would have been the outcome if that child did not have access to it? But I digress. Previously, you could safely store your firearm in areas inaccessible to those under 14, and there was no such requirement for vehicles, land, or building. This bill moves the age to 18 and requires a locked storage for firearms at all times unless that firearm is on your person. If it's on your person, it is considered to be safely stored. Now, I, in some senses, often say in my class that, yes, the best place for the concealed carry pistola, for example, would be on your person, right? We can agree on that. But how about when you come home and you do a temporary storage, or you may be at your office and you do a temporary storage in a drawer? You, as a reasonable, prudent, and cautious adult, ultimately makes these decisions. Now, the bill moves to put penalties and fines from starting at $500 if caught, right, to $1,000, all right, up to $10,000 if they find that that gun was used in a crime or by an unauthorized person or by a person who was prohibited. Someone violates an order of protection and is attacking your family. Just tell the bad guy to hold on. I need to run to my safe. If you are in Chicago and being carjacked, you need to tell the bad guy, hang on, I am going to retrieve my pistola from my safe that is under lock and key. That requires biometric fingerprint reading in order to be compliant. Folks, this is flabbergasting to think that Illinois lawmakers believe that this is going to keep the community safe. Or do the Illinois lawmakers just despise that Second Amendment so much that they're willing to take any avenue whatsoever, it doesn't matter, any type of infringement or any type of disarmament of the good people, like those of you that are watching this video right now, the more it is taken away, the illusion, the illusion of safety. Senate Bill 8. I'm going to put witness slips in the description. I would encourage you to fill out. Here's the thing. Nobody does, all right? Nobody ever does it, but I can only hope. I know I will, and I can only hope that you consider participating as well. Folks, I do hope that you comment your thoughts in the comment section. Wake up the algorithm. Let them know that this video is bringing out good information. Like, and of course, subscribe to the channel and share the video. I love you. I thank you. I'll be seeing you soon. Stay safe.